Hey everybody, how we doing? Dr. Erickson here with Executive Health Solutions. And let's go through a scenario. Let's say you wake up in the morning and you have pain and or numbness, tingling going down an arm. And normally you would also feel like, man, I can't turn very far to the side. It may even shoot it down. You look up, ooh, big kind of stab and pinch. A lot of times kind of back here in the trap, shoulder blade, neck, and you're like, whoa, what just happened? What did I do? So the easiest way to start the process of kind of trying to figure this out would be to just get a baseline of your motion first. You need to sit in a chair, which is why I'm sitting here. We're going to sit all the way with the hips back, nice and tall. Just kind of see where your symptoms at right now. It's very easy to feel sometimes. Sometimes it's vague, but if you can kind of feel, what part of the arm, if they're kind of in the thumb and first finger, that's a certain level. If they're kind of to the middle fingers, that's a different. If they're kind of to the pinky, that's different. Maybe it stops here, but wherever it is, take an inventory of kind of what you got right now. And then I would try to turn away from it first. So what kind of turn do you got? Okay, there it is a little bit easier to that side. Then turn into it. Okay, a little bit tougher. That kind of zings me down. Check and see what down does. All right, that might hurt down a little bit. Check and see what back does. And this one might really stab you. And you're like, whoa, that can't do that. Ouch. Okay. The first thing I would try then is to do what's called a cervical retraction. Bring the whole head and face straight back that way. Okay, tuck in. Ooh, what do you feel? It may increase the symptom. That's fine, as long as when I come back out of it, okay, no worse. Calms down. Let's say it's a 5 out of 10. I tuck in. Ooh, 6, 7, pain, zing, zing. And back. No, back to a 5. That's okay. That's a yellow light. Don't worry. That's not wrong. Keep trying. The thing that would be wrong is if, as you do these, it actually starts to make this, either produces it further down than what you started with. If it starts here and it starts coming down and staying, then stop. That's not right. We have to do something different. Let me know. If it feels like, yep, there it is, right there. I stop. Nope, it retreats back up. That's fine. That's normal. So what we may have to do here, I'll show you from the side angle. It might be a little bit easier. So down the arm, I go into tuck, 1, 2, 3, relax. Tuck, 1, 2, 3, relax. It's not forceful, and it's not picking the shoulders up and being all tight like this. Just nice and easy, work on this retraction here, and see what it does to the most distal symptom, the furthest away. It should, if it's correct, it should feel like it's kind of starting to come up and out of the arm. Even if it's more sore back here, you want that to kind of feel like it's coming back up and out up to here, all right? And then after sets of 10, so 10, 20, 30, then recheck your motion and see if you can turn any better than you did before. So if before you could only go here, and now you can go here, that's an improvement. You got to keep going. Keep going with this tuck here. And eventually, we'd add a little bit of overpressure to it. So you're here and you're giving a little bit of pressure, but it's straight back this way. It's not chin down. It's not chin back. It's straight back. All right? That's the first step on the morning you wake up with this. The first step is to take some baselines. Where's the pain at? So location. How much intensity of the pain? And mechanics. How far can I turn and move? And then do this and then reassess those. Is the pain further up, further down? Is it less? Is it more? And can I turn more or less? If you start checking all 3 of those where it's better, then you got to keep going further. And eventually we'd go back and back. But not that day 1, I would just start with here just to see. All right, that is the easiest way for me to explain that. On day one, what I would do to resolve a pain where you wake up in the morning, you get up, whoa, pain in the neck, pain down the arm, numbness, tingling, fire, burning, anything like that, start there. Thanks.